For 3 years, we lived our entire lives out of suitcases. We sold all of our belongings and left for an adventure around the world. Hi, I'm Garrett.
And I'm Jessica. We have 3 little kids, Dorothy, Manila, and Callahan, and we've been traveling all over the world.
It's been 3 years and we've traveled to over 70 countries together.
Who's hungry? We're really just doing our best, trying to see what each individual kid needs and trying to meet those needs while we travel.
We'll get the question quite often of, your kids are so young, do you think they'll really remember these travels? What are those?
Penguin.
Yeah. Because we'll go back and watch old videos and look at old photos all the time, and the kids just love it. And it's cool to see how much they remember
it, yeah.
Oh, Dorothy, look at those cool sunglasses. So we've traveled here to California because there's the Wildlife Learning Center that's become a sanctuary for animals that can't necessarily survive on their own out in the wild. Our flight's at 8:30. Does that give us enough time? When we're using Google Calendar, it's kind of a collaboration between the two of us.
It's definitely a lot of tag teaming. Okay, cool. So we take turns entertaining and taking care of what the kids need to also be able to get done what we need to with the bucket list family and our family business.
If Jessica's working on our calendar, I can be playing with the kids.
If he needs to get some editing done, then I'll take the kids out and go do some shopping.
Usually I'm charging everything the night before, but boy does it help me. If something has good battery life and can get me through the day.
Come on, Manila. Come on, Dorothy. Let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
So everything that we put out onto the internet, onto YouTube, we want to be positive and uplifting and something that we would want our kids watching. Things that teach bravery and family and fun. Those are all things that we try to teach our kids, and we love that we can share that with the world.